Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal candle holders. So what you're going to need, you'll need some floral diamond wrap from Efavormart. You'll need Arrowhead Pendants, crystal Arrowhead Pendants from Efavormart. And I have here some crystal room divider. This is also from Efavormart. I may or may not be using this. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, what you're going to need, some of this bling wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these candle holders, and they have like a little rounded base at the bottom here. You're also going to need 2 of these round mirrors from Dollar Tree. You will need 1 pack of these glass candle Tealight holders, and these are also from Dollar Tree. They come in a set of 2 for $1. And then you'll need some of this foam board. This comes on a large board. I just have a small piece here, also from Dollar Tree. Now from Walmart, I have large peel and stick gemstones, and I have small peel and stick gemstones. Now you can find these small gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Well, there you go, you guys. Didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you go, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.